Hi guys, welcome to this video. So in this video we are going to create this wooden basket with the handle using Creo parametric. So this is the dimension that we have in this video. So we are going to create this part as you can see here, right? So these are all the dimensions here. I think like this will be the very simple part. But here like you guys can able to find that we need to create this handle which has been like attached to these two edges. So this is only the one thing which we will face as a difficult part in this entire part modeling. Okay, so I think like all these dimensions are enough to create this part because the base dimension which we need is like this is the base dimension here, and then the secondary dimension is about this entire length of this extrude. So here we will be able to find this outer extrude length and the inner extrude length, as you can see here, 109 and 101. And then like this inner extrude cut for this face, as you can see here, the thickness that they have mentioned, this thickness is 4, and for the diameter of this handle they have mentioned the value of 12, and this is like a inner extrude, but we don't have to know this value because they have mentioned this entire thickness as a value of 4, right? So anything anyway, like we can able to calculate this. So let's get started with our sketch, like a base sketch here. So okay, so let's first of all let me just select the working directory where we have to save those files. So I'm just going to select this folder as my working directory, and let's click on new and click the default template, and let's rename our part as wooden underscore basket underscore sorry basket iPhone with handle. Okay, good. Okay, and then our unit as as for solid ABS. Okay, so here I'm just going to start my sketch on the sorry okay, right sketch, go for the sketch view. So here let's start creating our base profile first. So this will be our base profile. So it will be a length of 60 to height of 75. Okay, so let's draw a line like this, or else like either you can draw a center line to place your sketch on the mid. Okay, so let's draw a line. So now we can able to find this equal constraints on the both sides. So this will be 60 because we have drawn a center line, right? So this line will be placed on the center. Like if we measure this distance, we can able to see this is 30 as a base dimension which has been separated by the value of 60. Like we can able to find this is placed on the midpoint. Okay, good. So now I just want to place a point somewhere here, and this distance from that line, that should have a value of 75. Okay, good. So this will be 75, sorry, 75. Okay, so from that point we need to draw a circle. So that circle should have a radius value of 10. So let's draw a circle on this point, and this diameter value will be 10 because they have mentioned the 10 as a radius. So here we have to enter the value as diameter. So 10 into 2, that will be the diameter value for the circle. Okay, good. So the next thing here is like they have mentioned the value of height of 70. Like from that 70 there's a straight line which is connecting to the circle. Okay, so first of all let me just create one more point here. So that should have a height value of 70 as they have mentioned here, 70. And on that 70 like we need to end up with this circle as a straight line. Okay, so let's draw a line from the midpoint of the circle, straight line up to this reference. Okay, I think you guys can able to understood, right? Okay, and on the other side a straight line like this. Okay, I think this is kind of a tangent feature here. So for making this, I'm just going to draw a straight line first of all for this. Okay, and let me just draw one more straight line like this. Okay, we can able to delete these circles because we don't want it, and a straight line like this, a straight line like this, and now we can able to delete the unwanted segments here. Okay, so we got created a feature here up to the mark of 70. Okay, so this is a height of like 75, and this will be height of 70. So this distance or the length of the line, that will be 5. Let's check whether this is 5 or not 5, and this will be 5. Okay, good. So the next thing here is like at the end of this line to the end of this line, like they have mentioned, this will be a center point for drawing this arc. So this will have a radius of 20. So let's draw a circle at this reference, as you can see here, as dotted line on this, like yeah, and this will be the height value, and this will be like height from the base. Okay, so from here I'm just going to draw a circle intersecting on that point. Okay, good. Second point. So then I can directly able to draw a line which will be intersecting on this circle. So now let's delete the unwanted segments that we have. Okay, so we got created this feature. So the next thing here is I just want to add a fillet here. As you can see, they have mentioned this fillet value as a radius of 5. Fillet on these two, and this radius will be 5. So once again we need to check whether all these dimensions are same or not. Okay, so this will be 60, fine, and this will be 5. Okay, good. And this will have a radius of 10. Good. And this will be 20. Okay, good. And this radius will be 5, and I think like everything is correct here. Okay, good. So we need to create this feature on the other side also. So like if we have selected all these, and if we directly go for the mirror, like 1 second I'll show you. Like if you go for selecting all these three, and if directly go for mirror, like sometimes it will be fine, but sometimes you may have this corner issues. So I just recommend you guys to mirror like single parts. Like first of all, you need to mirror this to on the other side, and the next thing here is I just want to mirror this particular fillet on the other side, and then you can directly able to draw a line if you have any kind of issues while mirroring this part. Okay, so I think like we have covered up everything here. Like with a radius of 5. Okay, everything is right. Once again, let me just check this line. This will be 5. Okay, good. We have completed everything, so let's click on OK, and let's complete our sketch, and we can directly go for the extrude. So I just want to extrude this part to overall length of 109. Okay, so let's enter a value of 109 here, but I need this extrude to be on the symmetric extrude. As like you can see here, this is extruded from the front, like a right plane. I just want this plane to be a mid plane of these parts. Okay, so here I'm just going to select this symmetric. As you can see, this is moved on the center here. So let's click on OK, and let's go on shading with edges to have a good view on these edges. Okay, so we have completed this part, like entire solid part, but we need this to be a hollow part like this, and they have mentioned the hollow dimensions here, like as a distance of 4, and they have mentioned this handle diameter, like we need to make this as a solid part. Other than this, like everything will be as a hollow part. So for this, like they have mentioned the offset value as 4. Okay, so let's minimize this, and let's select the center plane, and let's go for the sketch, and let's go for the sketch view. So first of all, the offset line from this line to the new line that we are going to create is of offset value of 4. So offset, select this line. So this direction is towards outside, but we need in this direction. So this will be -4. Okay, and this will be -4, and this will be also -4. Okay, close it. Now I just want to draw a line up to like this. Oops, sorry, like this, and like this, and like this. Okay, so let me just complete the sketch by deleting these unwanted segments here. Okay, so now like except this, like when we go for the extrude, except this part, everything has been deleted. Like everything has been we can use them as a remove material feature, but we need a handle here. So for that, like they have mentioned a circle, but here we have to find the diameter for the circle. Like here, yeah, they have mentioned the value diameter value as 12. So let's draw a circle, but we need to find the center point here, right? So let me just take a reference on this circle to find out the center point. Here we can able to see the center point as a reference, right? So let's draw a circle to a diameter of 12, and now you can able to see except this circle everything will be extruded. Okay, this is what I want. Okay, so let's click on OK, and let's go for the extrude, and this will be symmetric extrude, and let's go for the remove material. So now you can able to find this is the exact part that we need, right? Up to this mark. Okay, good. And except this handle. Okay, and we need to know about this length. So this will be yep, the inner length here. So this will be 101. So I'm just going to enter a value of 101 here, and let's click on OK. So now you guys can able to see that we have completed our part. I think I have covered up every dimension which has been available here. Like we have used these two, this one, and all these, and the value of 4 here. But here they have mentioned a value of 52, where like the inner part to this inner side, like these sides, 52. So let's check whether this has got 52 or not. Like from here to till this face, like this inner length distance here. So for that, let me go for the analyze, measure, and I just want to measure the distance. So distance from, oops, sorry, distance from this face, and I have to press the control key and select this face. And here you can see the distance is 52. So that is what they have mentioned in this diagram, right? Okay, I think we can directly close this because we have to, like we have verified, right, whether this is got same or not. Okay, good. Like we have completed this part, so let's hide all these datum planes and let's give some appearances for this part. As you can see, like they have mentioned like the wooden color for this part. Okay, yeah, I'm just going to give exact wooden color that they have provided there. Wooden teak and wooden teak as, like let's give some unfinished textures so that you can able to have a exact look what they have. Okay, good. Let's go for shading with instructions. Okay, I think this looks really good when compared to it. Okay, so let me just close this. Okay, okay, or else like you can go for the polished face here. Like let's go for this, paste it here, and when you go for the polish, like you can't, you guys can able to see this, right? Because we can't get the exact texture of a hood here. Okay, so let me just go on with some other parts here, like unfinished for this part. Okay, this is not even good looks, and varnished. Okay, this is not looks good. Okay, so let me just go for this unfinished texture itself because this looks better than that. Okay, good. Sorry, I just have not selected this. Oops. Okay, let me just clear all appearances first of all, and let me just go on with this. Okay, now it looks really good, right, when compared to the before. Okay, so that's all guys, like we have completed this part, but here you can be able to see that our base plane is on right because we have started our sketch on the right plane, right? So let's go for the edit scene and environment, and this will be right. Okay, sorry, this is not being right. um, Front, yep, front is good. Close it, and let's go for the front view. Okay, good, because we have started with our sketch on the right on this face. So this will be left, and this bottom view will be our front view here. Okay, good. So that's all guys, so thanks for watching, and if you want more videos related to mechanical engineering or any other content, you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay, and like if you guys want more and more tutorials videos based on any kind of software or like Power BI, Excel, Word, or PowerPoint, or it may be like kind of any kind of software, like you can comment below so that I will upload more and more videos based on that. Okay, so here I am uploading tutorials based on Creo, like from beginners to the advanced level. like I have already uploaded a video based on basic tools which are all available in this Creo on the assembly tutorial. And here we are going to for the last week, like I have uploaded more than around 10 videos on the sketching tutorial, and on the next week also I will start uploading more and more videos based on the sketching tutorial, because like most of them will have issues facing on the sketching. Okay, so I just have decided to post a video on the sketching tutorial, so that will be like very useful for you guys when you are going to have this Creo as your practice section. Okay, so thank you guys, like we will see with a very interesting content on our next video. Until then, bye.